You want candy?
Yes.
You like candy?
Yes. Of Halloween.
Of Halloween? So yes.
Yes.
So you get the candy yesterday?
Yes, I give my candy with my friend.
Okay. You don't do that.
I have something to tell you. I'm sorry. Mama got really hungry and ate all of your Halloween candies. I got hungry and I ate all of it. You're gonna cry? But Mama was really hungry, so Mama just ate it. Mama ate it, it's in my stomach. But Mama was really hungry, so Mama just ate all of it. I'm sorry, but I was hungry. But Mama was hungry first, and your candy was all that I have, so I ate it. It's all gone in my stomach. You can go trick-or-treating again next year. I ate it all. I'm so sorry. This is all you have left. Mama ate it.
You didn't. She ate everything. She didn't even leave one for you. Not even
Yes.
one.
Mama ate it.
She ate everything.
I eat them. I
She
was
was-
hungry. I'm sorry. I didn't really think about you. I'm sorry. It's all gone. It's finished. It's in Mama's stomach. It's in Mama's stomach. Mama was hungry and she ate all your candies. What you gonna do? I'm sorry. I ate them all. You gonna cry? You're mad at me? You're mad at me? Why are you mad at me? But Mama ate all your candies. There's no more. It's all gone. It's all gone. Look. Empty. It's gone. Don't cry. Alright. Okay. Listen. Okay. Listen, I'm just joking. Come, let me show you your candy. Come. Let me. I'm just kidding with you. It's here. Look. Here. Mama was just joking. Okay. Alright, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Alright, let's go put it in. Alright. I'm such a bad mom. Alright, okay, let me put them in your pan. Sit there. Here. That's better? Okay, Mama is so sorry, okay? I won't do that again, okay? Can I have a hug? Huh? You're crying for them. You want the other one? Alright, take it. You want all of them? Okay. You guys. But alright, I'm sorry. Okay. I won't do it again, okay? My heart is beating so fast. Say, Jimmy Kimmel told me to do it. Said, Jimmy, you're naughty. Look and say, Jimmy, you're naughty.
Jimmy, you're naughty.
Give Mama keys. Mwah.
Don't
Mama's gonna eat all the candy.
don't play with the heart of a kid.
Oh gosh, he's not even leaving any in the pan.
There is one more in there. Hey, more in it.
All right, leave the rest. Now you happy again?
Yes.
All right. Yeah, Mama, she's naughty.
Naughty, Mama.
I was just tricking you.
Because you're naughty to eat it. Leave me alone.
Leave you alone. Okay, Mama, I won't trouble you again. I'm sorry. Okay?